Here we have a differential equation, and it looks like it's a case for separation of variables. I'm just rewriting it when instead of y prime we write dy over dx. And now if I bring the dx over to the right hand side, this is what I get. And now I can divide by y squared times 1 minus x, and this is what I get. But I have to pay attention that we have denominators here, and that y should not be 0 and x should not be 1. I'll come back later to this condition and see if this was some kind of restriction or not. Okay, so just put an integral sign in front of each, and remember the formula that the integral of a function on the denominator and its derivative on the numerator gives us a natural log of the denominator. So with this in mind, my aim is to get this into this form. But the derivative of the denominator is not the numerator, the derivative is minus 1, so with the little trick here, I can put a minus here and a minus here. At the same time, I also put y to the power of minus 2 instead of the denominator. And now we can do the integration, so this becomes y to the minus 1 over minus 1. And this becomes this minus, and using this formula, natural log of 1 minus x, and the constant of integration. So let me just say, this is actually a solution to the differential equation because there's no more derivatives, but it's quite common to isolate y also, and if we can do that, then so much the better. Okay, so bringing the minus to the other side, and then taking the reciprocal of both sides, y is still not 0.